How to restore the missing toolbar in your Tradingview. So maybe you accidentally pressed on it, or you just for some reason pressed the button to make it disappear. So just go ahead to the chart that this happened in, or maybe it's a default setting, but that pretty much depends. Let's say you accidentally press the full screen mode. All you'll have to do is press the escape button, and so it just showed up right there just now. It should just be found in the top left corner of your keyboard. It's gonna say ESC, press on that, and it's just gonna reappear. The button that did make you full screen would be CTRL-F. No, not CTRL-F, Shift F, I mean, like so, or this specific button over here. If you want more information about your quick buttons or the automatic buttons, you should be able to find more information about that in the help center, and most settings will be just found here, of course, in the settings. For your symbols, for your status lines, you can toggle them on or off. It's usually found over here, but if your tools go missing, you're probably just in full screen mode, and just go ahead and press on escape to revert that. So hopefully this is what is happening to you, and if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.